Dobrodošli na dogodku ciljnega raziskovalnega projekta Etika in integriteta in enake možnosti v slovenskem raziskovalnem prostoru od politik do njihove implementacije. So hello, good morning. We will speak today in English because we have our guests from Austria and we hope to learn from them how to help us in devising very concrete policy recommendations for public institutions and organizations in Slovenia. This event, Good Practices from Austria, is a part of the applied project called Ethics, Integrity and Equal Opportunities in Research field in Slovenia, from policies to their integration. This project was organized in 3 parts. I'm the coordinator, Rok is my colleague, and I'm more or less covering the issue of equal opportunities and gender equality, and Rok is expert for ethics and integrity. And the project was organized in 3 parts. The first one was analysis of the state-of-the-art situation in Slovenia. So we analyzed the policies and practices as well as documents from research organizations and universities in Slovenia, as well the activities, policies, public policy strategies of the relevant ministries, that is Ministry of Higher Education, Science and Innovation, and also bodies, public bodies in charge of ethics and also integrity issues. The second part of our project is so learning from good practices abroad, and this event is part of that endeavor. And the third part of the project is to devise very concrete policy recommendations for public agencies and very practical guidebook or a set of recommendations for research organizations and universities that we hope that will help them integrate these practices. This is from me. I will be presenting at the end of the event practices from Austrian Science Fund, and I give to Rok Word, who organized this event, and I thank you very much for it.
Thank you, Jovana. Welcome also from my side, especially to our guests from Austria, and of course to everyone who came to listen. Maybe just to introduce our first topic, which will be research integrity at the national level. Maybe just a couple of words on the Slovenian situation before we come to the practices from Austria. Slovenia does not yet have an institution that would be similar to the Austrian Agency for Research Integrity, an institution that would offer guidance, support, and investigation capacities on a national level. There has, however, been a decade or more long debate on the need for such an institution in Slovenia, and this debate has taken place at the level of civil society initiatives, as well as on the level of academic institutions and the government. And several debates have taken place over the years similar to this event, and also the Austrian Agency for Research Integrity has been presented before at such events as a potential model to follow. And one of the bodies that had an important role in such initiative has been the Commission for Equal Opportunities in Science, which is an expert body nominated by the Ministry of Higher Education, Science and Innovation, which also then became a part of ENRIO, the European Network of Research Integrity Offices. And this long debate has led to the establishment or the inscription into the law of the establishment of a national level committee with the new research legislation that came in place in 2021. And this National Council on Ethics and Integrity in Sciences is not yet established. but it is in the process of being established, and its roles will be preventive action in education, promotion, awareness, but also drafting opinions on compliance with ethical principles. So this council is still being established, so it is a timely debate to be had here on how to support and foster research integrity on a national level.